Okay, this is going to be a contest entry for Low Noise Jason Skills 3-pack. And he asked for a record by a trio, and your favorite third record from a band, and a record album that has 3 records in it. So let's get into it. All right, first one. This is The Stools live at the Outer Limits, December 28th, 2019. And as you can see, this is a trio from Detroit, Michigan. And this is their new live album. And here's what the vinyl looks like. And here's the little thing that came with it. And there's a crowd shot. And I was at this show. This entire show is on my YouTube channel. I filmed the whole thing, and I should have been mentioned in here as the dude that filmed this entire show and put it up on YouTube so you can see the show as you listen to the record of The Stools live at the Outer Limits. Just about 7 miles from where I'm sitting right now. All right, that's my trio record. Okay, third favorite record by a band. This is Devo, Freedom of Choice. And I bought this used, and on the inside of here it says Gary Schroeder. So this used to be Gary Schroeder's record. And here's a little order form to get some Devo stuff. And here's the record. So this is the third record by Devo, and it's a really good one. So there's a band's third record that I completely dig. Okay, on to the trio set. This is Kiss the Originals. And the records inside this thing are this one, and this one. And let's open this thing up for you. Here you go. And here are the records. This is that. Probably don't need to say the names of these records. Everybody already knows. And this. And this. And here's the little booklet. This particular copy doesn't have the cards or the stickers, but it did come with the book. I only paid $8 for this copy. There's the book. There's a very early picture of Kiss doing their thing. There's some more early pictures. And let's see what the labels on these look like. Casablanca. So this is probably the second pressing or third pressing of this. Anyway. And 3. So this is the trio record, a record with 3 records inside. Okay, that's my contest. Excuse me, I just got off work. That's my contest entry, and I'll give a little advertisement here for this. Big Neck Records, The Stools live at the Outer Limits. This is definitely worth picking up. And the video of this is definitely worth watching. The place gets pretty crazy, and I do my best to catch all the wackiness and intensity of this concert. Okay, that's it. Thank you.